My titties purple, they plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.
This is lovely.
You can take a seat and call somebody for coffee.
Okay, thank you.
You saw my name, I sent you Eleni.
Yeah, I saw it.
Good. Yeah, perfect.
Right guys, so I'm here. It's amazing. It's a cute little pop-up. Managed to sort out my jacket. Lucky me, because it's literally sold out everywhere. So this is some of the collections. I mean, it's really nice. I am loving the big GG prints. This hourglass blazer, I'm literally gonna try on one shortly. Literally, I'm excited with what I got, and I managed to score a lovely piece, which I'm gonna be unboxing for you guys soon. So hope you guys actually tune in, because it's gonna be really amazing. Right guys, so we're out. It's dark, you know, it gets dark early, so I am heading home now to give you guys an update. So it's amazing in there. Like, for those of you that want to check it out, please go and check it out. It is lit over there. So with that being said, let's do this. Can't wait to get home to show you guys what I got. My baby, is unnecessary. Hi guys, so I'm home now after a long day, a long amazing day. I'm back home now. I'm super duper excited to share with you guys what I forgot at the Gucci times Balenciaga Hacker collection. Like, this collection is actually the one. Like, it's super duper crazy. So a little more in depth as to what happened. Obviously, I tried to enjoy the moment more. So I was not really vlogging because I really wanted to enjoy the moment of going to the Gucci pop-up shop, where I had to then meet my SA to get my pieces. So I pre-ordered my pieces with my SA in the Sloane Street store, and I had to go to the pop-up shop because I had to get something adjusted, and I had to just, you know, to see what it's like and visit the cafe upstairs. So it was a really nice and great experience. So I didn't really, you know, vlog everything that was going on. So just a little it's quite, you know, easy to get to from Shoreditch High Street. You know, it's just a couple, like, not even a 5-minute walk today, but I drove anyway. Parking was quite easy. There's pay and display parking. So for those of you that want to visit the pop-up shop and the cafe upstairs, it's still open until the 8th of December. So you have like about 2 to 3 weeks by time this is up, maybe 2 weeks if that, to go and visit it. So please, for those of you that want to visit it, please go and visit it. Also, when I got there was a couple of people in the queue. Even though I didn't really have to queue up, I just had to say I had an appointment with Eleni. And they were like, okay, hold on. So I stood there for a bit, but there was like a set of people standing outside, and one lady came and she was like, okay, to those of you like, you know, looking for specific items, I just want to let you guys know that the hourglass bag is no longer available, and the hacker puffer jacket also is no longer available. We have limited stocks in other pieces, but if this is what specifically you're for, then it's not. So I just start see people just moving and just leaving the queue or whatever, and it wasn't as hectic as I thought it would have been. It was quite nice. I got to see, you know, the whole setup with the cameras on the wall, and I got to see on the other side how it was like the hay in the kind of like the, you know, like in a field type thing. So that was kind of nice. Got to try on some other bits and bobs that I actually liked, and you know, got my pieces, and you know, was, you know, talking with my essay, you know, asking about the collection, and you know, just catching up. You know, like it was really nice to, like, you know, be able to get these pieces, because now I ready as it is, I'm seeing these pieces sell for double, triple the price in the resale market. So I am really happy with what I have and what I've managed to get. I mean, things like this don't happen. You don't see two major brands collaborating, and when you do, like, you know, Fendi and Versace has done one, Nicki Minaj and Fendi has done one. So I've seen a lot of these collabs going on, and I'm not really a collab person, but this was one that I definitely, from the day I saw it, I was like, yeah, I have to have it. Like, I have to have it. I have to have it. So it's quite interesting to see how interested and how intrigued some people were to get it and was not able to get it, and I'm really happy with what I got. I'm just trying to make sure I touch every topic. Okay, so for me, what I know for a fact, how I managed to get my pieces was the fact that I pre-ordered. So most stuff that I have, some stuff I still was not able to get because either there were no sizes or it was just not available anymore by the time, I guess, my essay sourced for me. But I managed to get, out of 3 things that I wanted, I got 2. So that's pretty okay. Actually, I would have gotten all 3, but I decided to back out on one because it was a confusion between whether I wanted the blazer or the coat. And I actually wanted the blazer and not the coat, because the coat was still available. Which I love, by the way, because like I loved it. I tried it on, I felt like, oof, this is the one. So I'm still a bit in 2 minds as to if I should have gotten it, or it's not really a big deal for me at this point. It's not really a big deal. I'm happy with the bits that I've got. I did plan to save this for Christmas, but I'm so sorry, Christmas come early. I just want to unbox it and share it with you guys here. This is my first unboxing, so I haven't even done it on my Instagram. So I will still rewrap it and unbox it for Christmas again. Shady me. So this is one of my Christmas gifts to myself. With no further ado, I am going to show you guys this baddie. You guys, this baddie. Ooh, okay, this is tied in a knot. Okay, it's the knot for me. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So this, and then we have, I think it's this way. Oh yes, this way. Ooh, yes, honey. So I guess they still have the Gucci 100. I think that's another collection that is out right now. So So I think for some of you that kind of have an idea what it is already, for some that don't know, so it comes with the Balenciaga and the half Gucci. I mean, how amazing is this dust bag? Like, it's literally everything is half, which is super duper amazing. So yeah, so guys, with no further ado, I am introducing you guys to the latest baby to join the bag family, my Gucci hourglass. I don't even know what to call her. It's my Gucci hourglass, I would say. So this is my baby. Like, I am so happy. It's kind of like a cute little mini size. There's also a bigger size to it, but I don't think it's as cute as this one. So this one, it's, you know, perfect, cute little mini handheld, easy go in, easier than a Birkin 25, must say. So I am definitely going to do a review and what I think about it. And moving on the inside, we have paper. We have the strap. So I guess this is the strap that goes. So I'm gonna open that later down. I'm not gonna bother, but I hardly think I'm gonna use this bag anytime soon. I'll definitely use it after Christmas, I think. But yeah, or maybe, I don't know, might just go crazy. So yeah, this is my Gucci hourglass bag. That's all I could call it, the Gucci hourglass bag. I just love it so much, and it's the B for Balenciaga for me, honey. I think this is a superb collaboration. It is over the moon. Like, just look at it. I can't believe I got it. Like, so much people wanted to get this bag, and I actually have one, and I'm super duper happy with it. So with no further ado, I am going to leave this one right here. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. Now, piece number 2 is actually a ready to wear. So as you guys may know, in my previous videos, I have mentioned that I'm not really a big fan on ready to wears. Why I rather high street clothing versus ready to wear clothing. However, I did say to you guys that I am more than happy to invest in outerwear pieces that I could actually use and reused. Could use and be reused over and over. So this item that I got is a outerwear piece, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. So I am just super duper excited about this piece because it's really hot. It's a hot number. So as you guys can see, it comes with the Balenciaga on one side, and it has the Gucci on the other side. So even all of their like everything is just half, which is super duper amazing. So with no further ado, let's unbox this baddie for you guys to see. Ooh, I don't even know if the reflection is giving her away already, but hello, yes, baby. Not the bomber. Sweet, not the puffer jacket. Like, this jacket is everything. I am super duper in love. I'm super in love with her. What is there not to love about this? I cannot wait to dress this up and dress this down. I am definitely going to leave a review of what I think about it. I wasn't actually two minds about it until I had to go back for them to actually style me with it. Thank you to Elena. She actually made me fall in love. I was actually about to give it back, but she styled me with it, and you know, I felt like, you know what, okay, now it's making sense the way she put it together, and she showed me like what to use and how to use it, what to take off on the inside. It is just super duper amazing. I am super happy with it. I am an outerwear person. Have the hoodie right here to go with it. I'm just super duper in love. What's there not to love about it? So with that being said, guys, this is my little unboxing vlog and unboxing of my Gucci times Balenciaga Haka collection. I am super excited with the pieces that I've managed to score. Yeah, I don't know, like I am super excited, and this is definitely, I would say, a collectible item, and I'm looking forward to starting to build an amazing collection, and a collection worth having. So yeah, and it's actually good to share something with you guys on my channel other than Hermes and stuff like that. And as you guys know, I always play around and stuff with other brands, and I do love other brands, and Gucci is definitely my to-go-to. Who knows me know I am a Gucci gal. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for joining me on this journey, and thank you guys so much for those of you enjoying this unboxing. Please leave a thumbs up, leave a comment below, tell me what you got, if you've managed to score any pieces from the Gucci x Balenciaga collection, or if you didn't, what you would have liked to have, you know. And yeah, what other brands would you guys like to see collab? Just, you know, let me know in the comment section below what you guys think. So far, I think this is my Christmas made for me already. I don't need anything more. I'm more than happy. So Christmas came very early for me, and I mean, of course, I might see something that I would like and probably get, but for now, I'm good. I'm happy how my year is about to end. So with no further ado, as I always say, until next time.
Plastic. I like my money Jurassic. This pussy pop back elastic. You bitches don't want no static. Catch one of you hoes in traffic. Flip one of you bitches gymnastic. Hit and run is my tatty. Y'all be reaching, I'm grabbing. Wait, nigga, I'm bagging.